Yeah. Check it out. 2020 vision. Remy in the system. Eminem edition. Yakking mom spaghetti in the kitchen. The last time me and Tab was in the kitchen, it was black roses. Now we back to study the soil that the plant grows in. The can is open, the plan is unfolding. The whole planet is planet home, panic and frozen. Global pandemic, and Bill Gates planned everything. You can ask Reddit. Shit, forget it. You ass betted that stimmy check. And now you got bad credit plus interest. Congrats, you've been finessed. And now your ass broke without a penny left and begging for another handout. What will they think of next? Shit. Okay, I hit the vape pen at Target, then I started choking. What an awkward moment. People noticed my cough, they thought I caught the COVID.
Good morning, boomers. It's the voice of the blockchains, of all the chains out here. Blockchain, shout out to Lady Plants, rest in peace, Shock G, indeed. Shout out to Digital Underground, Shock G. Indeed, that's a bad loss, but shout out to him nevertheless. Our condolences. Shout out to Adrian Kent. Shout out to Isim and the rest of the boomers. He says, nice intro. Indeed, that one's unreleased. That one will be released soon. I'll let you guys know more about that in coming live streams, but stay tuned in. Manuel's here. He says, brother, we need you. Bitcoin under attack on the left flank. Pancake migration delayed. And we're going to talk about it. You know, where are the gains at? What's happening? What's going on? I'm seeing a little red, a little blood out there on the streets. And, you know, the champ is out here. When there's blood on the streets, I'm out here. I'm not like some of these tubers that they're only out there when things are up. In fact, we double down when it goes red. Shout out to Manuel, Isom, Adrian, the rest of the boomers. Sunflowers, good morning. I see everybody. I am restreaming using restream.io to both DLive and YouTube. Okay? Theta's cute. But DLive is working today, right now. So, you know, Bitcoin's on sale today. Indeed. Boom. Today, Bitcoin is on sale. And last time I checked, it was under 50K. So shout out to all the boomers. Let me go ahead and get straight to the topic at hand. I woke up and I found out that the migration of PancakeSwap has been delayed. Okay, you know, so what's going on? Some people are complaining, but the price hasn't tanked. Everything seems all right. Let me go ahead and show you guys what's shaking and baking over there on Twitter. They're back on step 2. So if you've been following this about 5 hours ago, early in the morning, they said they posted here a slight delay in migration. This gentleman Nipun from the Alpha Finance Lab team has made the team aware of a possible compatibility issue with the new router and LP implementation. Due to this, they needed to redeploy, which sets the migration back about 24 hours or so. They're already in the process of doing this. So if you go ahead and scroll up, let's keep reading. If you've already added liquidity to version 2, you will need to remove it. Addresses that added liquidity to version 2 before block 68 and change will be compensated for the inconvenience with an airdrop of cake at a later date. Okay, so they're making good. Sorry for the trouble. We will keep you updated. Relax, everybody, relax. I see some complainers there in these threads, people complaining about a fee, a $5 fee, or this. Guys, relax. Everybody relax. They're migrating billions of dollars in about less than 24 hours. Centralized corporations can't do this. Okay, so relax, everybody relax. Let them do their thing. So they just posted this infographic. Now they're back. This was an hour ago. They're back on step 2. So, you know, it was a little hiccup there, but, you know, you need to remove your liquidity from any failed V2 LPs you already migrated. And if you did that early, they're going to throw you an airdrop. They're going to take care of you, says these people out of PancakeSwap. The new exchange will go live. You will be able to start adding liquidity to pairs again. There's no rush. And at step 5, we will start switching the old farms to the new. Let's go ahead and click on this so you can see. They're currently on step 2. Okay, the chef has deployed a new router and the factory contracts, the queue and execute to new farms to the OX is happening right now. Then around 1 a.m., April 24th. So, you know, coming up soon. Deploy updated FE and new exchange. What's FE? And then number 4, queue and execute new farms, original multiplier. Number 5, this is targeted for tomorrow at 11 a.m. New farms start going live. All old farms stop earning yield, execute old farms to the 0x, execute new farms to the original multiplier, and the migration should be complete by tomorrow. Okay, what you should do, relax and chill. That's what I've been saying, relax and chill. Everybody relax out there. If you only have version 1 LP tokens, remove liquidity from V2 if you guys were getting ahead of yourself. Okay, if you guys are getting ahead of yourself, you need to remove from V2 and just wait. Now, you could migrate the LP tokens from V1 to the new type, but that's not necessary yet. You could do that in advance. What you should do is migrate all your LP tokens from V1 to V2. Stake your LP tokens in the new farms as they go live. The new farms will be added one by one. Keep watching the Twitter, and they will post updates as they launch new farms. This was posted an hour ago, so relax. Give them a second to do the migration. Everything's good. Now, for those that are staking single asset cake, if you don't have LPs or anything like that, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay? Let's actually talk about the Bunny, because, I'm staking single asset cake on Bunny. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to Pancake Bunny. And I let you guys know yesterday that, nothing was going to be affected. And in fact, if you have LPs on Pancake Bunny, they're going to go ahead and do the migration for you. But if you want, they remove the withdrawal fees so that you can, have custody of your assets in the meantime. But you could choose your slippage. Hold on. Okay, you could choose your slippage tolerance, then click claim and migrate to manual complete the migration. Or you can leave your tokens in the vault and we will auto migrate your tokens for you. Please see the attached screenshot for reference. Pancake Bunny, keeping your funds safe. Funds are safe. Funds are safe out there, boomers. If you staked into multiple LP pools, you'll have to click the migrate button. Okay, so this is on Pancake Bunny. If you guys are staking your LP tokens, your PancakeSwap LP tokens in a yield optimizer like Pancake Bunny, like Auto Farm, like Beefy, you need to go to their page and find out what their specific instructions are. Okay, each yield platform will have different instructions, I am assuming. Now, in the case of Pancake Bunny, you see the instructions right here, okay? This is right here in front of your face. Let me go ahead and link it here in the chat box, because I know there's going to be someone in the comments like an hour, today that's going to ask the question that's right here, okay? So the question's right, it's answered, okay? The answer is right here. Soon after the PancakeSwap V2 migration is complete, we'll place a migrate button at each of the relevant LPs on the pools on the main page that will do the following. So that you can go ahead and claim and migrate. Boom, boom, boom. The Bunny team has already made the necessary preparations and will update LP tokens and pools as soon as it is safe and appropriate to do so. Feel free to remain staked in your flip pools and earn rewards while we wait for migration. All your assets are safe. So I'm in the pool, but the single asset, it's not showing any AP. Let me go to that so you can see it's not showing anything right now, but I'm still receiving rewards. So let me go here, and you can see that the Bunny TVL has dropped over $1 billion. Now, there's a reason for that, because people are unstaking and everything's being readjusted, but it's crazy to see. Oh, all right, so the cake APY has appeared now. Before it was coming up as a question mark. You can see cake there at 255, Bunny there at 364. So the thing is running. Everything's okay. Everything's Gucci. Gucci sauce. Okay, and then I'm keeping an eye while everything's dumping on the markets, okay? And people are getting, a little bit scared here with this delay and the PancakeSwap. Let me tell you, there's nothing to be afraid of. Look at what's going on here, okay? And I'm glad I bought the dip last night. Cake BNB is warming up, okay? This is the 1 month. So like we're in April right now. So this is the April chart. This thing is about to boom up for April. So while there's delays, while Bitcoin's down under 50,000, while Binance is down, and everybody is out there acting a little funny bunny, look what's going on. Green, green, green against BNB. Don't sleep. So the champ pulled out the big gun yesterday, and then I fired some Bitcoin at Cake. Okay, at around, I fired Bitcoin at BNB, and then the BNB at Cake. Guys, Thor swap. Okay, for everybody using Simple Swap, GoDex, that's centralized. Now, Thor Swap is the first decentralized cross-chain automated market maker. I'm telling you, it's sexy. It's sexy. Even though I got clapped up for 2 BNB trying to do an LP, the swap works. So, you could swap native tokens. So anyhow, I picked up some more BNB. I swapped that out of Cake, and I'm glad I did, because I bought the dip at a 0.048 last night. So, this thing went up to a 0.05. Guys, again, I'm putting this notice out there because I've been talking about Pancake a lot this past couple of weeks because it's been one of my primary altcoin plays. Guys, if you see another altcoin play in the top 100 that the price of the token is going to perhaps hold its value, or if not, increase in value, and that you can stake it and earn at least 0.5% a day, let me know, because I can't find it. I can't find it. Yeah, there's some other tokens out there that, they're in, my mid-size cap tokens, top 150, 200, that maybe, yeah, you could get some gains. But I'm talking about the price of Pancake. The probability of it going up is higher than the probability of it going down. And, steady every single day with these APYs. Kaboom Champ, you in Drip Network? No, I'm not. I'll be honest with you. I know they did a pre-sale on the Telegrams. I didn't jump into it, and now I know it's live. So I feel like I'm not ahead. I'm not one of the first. I see everybody already promoting it. I see some of the tubers, they already did their pre-sale, and I'm like, am I gonna jump into it now after they already did the pre-sale? I don't know. So, no shade at Drip or anything like that. I want him to win, but, I'm focused on other things, me personally, and let's see what that does. I'm not hating on that, but with these new, high APY platforms, I want to be amongst the first. And, my understanding is that they already did that pre-sale like last week. So, I would not be one of the first. So, because of that, I think I'll pass. Cake BNB there at 0.050004. Shout out to Bit Papa there with the $5. I appreciate you. Bit Papa always showing love. Bit Papa. Thank you so much, Bit Papa. I recognize that. 5 USD. He's got 5 on it. He shows up. He's not one of these guys that shows up to the party, smoking up everybody's crop and drinking up everybody's spirits. He brings a little bit to the table out here, At least throw 5 on it. Don't be that guy. There's always one of those guys that always shows up and empty-handed. And you still offer him a drink, a smoke, but the guy's always showing up empty-handed. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Bit Papa is not that guy. Fair game. You know it, Bit Papa. I don't have anything bad to say about Drip. I just feel like, if they did a pre-sale and it's already moving, I would like to be a little bit more ahead of the game. Captain Crypto says, Shibakin, you could be first. Shibakin, yeah, I haven't heard that. I'll keep my eyes out and ears open for that. Usually, when a couple people mentioned it, I'll leave a tab up. Bit Papa keeps 5 on it. Yeah, he shows up. He throws 5 on it. One of those guys. Don't be one of those guys. There's plenty of those always showing up to the party and throw a little 5 on it. Especially nowadays, guys. If you don't got 5 on it in the middle of the bull run, come on. Where's Rafterman? Yeah, he's been missing for a while. Let me see, where's Rafterman? I don't know. Hopefully he's doing all right over there with Celsius, because I know Celsius has been doing well. I always show up with a little pre-roll to chop it up with you, champ. You already know, Big Papa. Yeah, show up with a little pre-roll, a little something, guys. At least a little one-hitter, if anything. Kaboom. Shout out to Big Papa. Lady Plants. Poison says, I feel like Forex might spin up another coin soon to help us prop up all his other coins. Forex Shark. I know he's got a little cult following there on the gram or whatnot. And let's see, he did Bankroll, Flow. He's done a few other ones. So, I seen you kicked out the IRS chat yesterday. I don't know if you're talking to me. I don't know if the IRS has any chat. I don't know what you're talking about. But shout out to Big Papa. Poison's out here. Lady Plants. And we got our day one boomers. Lady Plants says Shirunkin Yoga Flame. Shirunkin. All right. All right. So 0.05 on the cake. I gave you guys the updates on what's going on over here with PancakeSwap's delay in migration. I'm looking at, I just bought a ticket. I'm looking at this lottery, guys. And you know me, I'm not the gambler. And, I usually pass on any of these little gamification platforms. But look at this. There's 700 racks on the lottery right now. So, I bought a ticket. Okay, I got 20 on it or $24 on it. And I told you the other day I won the lotto. I hit 2 numbers out of the 4, and I won 8.5 cake. So, whatever. It was, a little bit more than $100. But did I buy a ticket? Let me see if I bought a ticket out here. Yeah, I got one ticket. I got one ticket on it. So, it's almost $1 million. So if you match all 4 numbers, you're the winner. And all you got to match is 2 numbers. So the last, this is what the the prize pots are. So if you match all 4 numbers, you'll win that much. Oh, okay, yeah. That's what someone in the chat yesterday was talking about capital gains tax, and you snapped. I watched it last night. It made me laugh. Yeah, I know what you were talking about. Yeah, someone with the impermanent. I'm not gonna say the word hate because that's the wrong one. I dislike the the taxers, the crypto tax cucks. Like, no, because of the tax. Guys, come on, guys. The tax exists in and out of crypto. The tax man is there. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you guys. What do you think, he's gonna go away? There should be a tax. There is an implied tax on everything according to them. Okay, so I mean, I don't know why you guys all of a sudden is saying, oh, because of the crypto and the capital gains. I guess the argument was that, they don't want to unstake and realize losses or gains because they want to get taxed at capital gains and not at regular tax. And, the whole thing was for a difference in 10% of tax. And I get it, you don't want to pay 10% more, but look at the big picture out here, guys. This migration or whatever the move you may be doing may boom you way more than 10%. So if you're worrying about lowering your taxes more than you are increasing your revenue, then there's a problem. Asking those tax. And first of all, I have no idea what the tax questions. I'm here with the crypto. Go ask the tax. I'm sure there's a bunch of, maybe not a bunch, but I'm sure there's some accountants out here on YouTube giving out some information on the taxes or whatnot. I'm not that guy. Okay, I'm out here for the boom. I don't, I'm not your accountant. Okay, I'm here for entertainment. But you know the deal, Big Papa. Those people with the tax questions. And like I said to him, I'm like, I get it. No one likes paying taxes. But, in the big scheme of thing, if there's going to be taxes and they're going to be forced, then you know what? I'm trying to pay more because that means I'm going to earn more. So, whatever. Let's get back to the topic at hand. $740,000 on this cake lottery. I threw a ticket at it, one cake at it. So why not? And I would assume this will be more and more popular as more people get into the platform here. Fidel said, shout out to the pre-rolls. Indeed. Shout out to Big Papa, Lady Plants, and the rest of the boomers. So let's keep an eye over here on TradingView and see what's moving against some of our faves. But I wanted to just get online here and keep you guys updated as to what's going on with V2. Now, Bitcoin has pulled back and the market looks a little bit lukewarm right now. But Cake BNB is up. So, T-Fuel's up as well. BNB against ETH is up. Okay, BNB against BTC is up. So, I think it's all right out there, guys. I'm not upset. Some of the losers are Rune. Now, let me talk about Rune again, okay? I'm liking Rune. I'm liking Thor Swap. And I think psychologically, it makes me feel a lot more comfortable than using a centralized exchange, like a Simple, like a Godex, like some of these other ones. Because the Thor, which is Rune, it is a decentralized, cross-chain automated market maker. So think of PancakeSwap, but you'll be able to swap between native chain. So you could swap the real Bitcoin for the real Binance and vice versa. They only have the blue chips. They got BTC, BNB, LTC, BCH, Sushi, and Ethereum. Okay? So you could swap between those. And I'm liking that. So it's a good way to, cash in, cash out. Rune right now is down, but I think there's value in that chain. Now, another one I want to keep an eye on is Solana. Solana against, all the tokens. Solana's been doing pretty well. And if you look here at the charts, it's a buy against BNB. So I wouldn't sleep on Solana. I haven't picked any bags up because I asked myself, what would I do with it? I don't know what the farms are or what the, APYs are. But it's looking good. You always check the charts against BTC or BNB, right? Don't check it against USD or USDT. Why? The only pair against US dollar that matters to me is Bitcoin. Okay, at the end of the day, I'm trying to outpace Bitcoin, and the token that is outpacing Bitcoin for the past couple of years has been Binance. It's been green against Bitcoin for years. Not even now with the bull run. It's been in the bear market. It was red. So what I want to see is things that are moving faster than Bitcoin and Binance. So Cake is one of those. Solana right now. Everything is moving faster than USDT. If you're valuing yourself in USDT, you're losing. USDT is a sinking ship. They're literally giving out the money. They're mailing people checks. I don't think people really understand the hyperinflation that's coming down the block, guys. They are giving it out. They're not going to give you BTC or BNB. So, do the math. So, I understand that you want to have a reference and know what the US dollar price is, but that doesn't really matter to me. And it shouldn't, in my opinion, if you're a true maniac, boomer, because, who wants to stack USD? USD is losing. Imagine if you would have stacked USD all this year instead of Bitcoin. Imagine if you would have been saving in your piggy bank a little quarter a day instead of buying BTC. I mean, it's, so hopefully maybe you get the point now. It's all about really valuing your whole bag in BTC and then trying to figure out how are you going to earn faster than BTC. Okay. But again, I don't check it against USD. I'm checking it against BTC. And then, for the short run, BNB. But let's be clear. Although I'm super bullish on BNB and I've been using it as a vehicle to gain on Bitcoin, I don't believe it should be the primary token in your portfolio. Bitcoin is the king. Okay. And it has been for some time now. So don't sleep on BTC. True, bro. USD is making people broke. Fact. Yeah, look, when you look at the stock market, okay, and you see that the prices of the stocks have been going up steady, ask yourself this question. Is it really the price of the stocks that's been going up, or is it the value of the US dollar is going down? You know what I mean? Is it really you could even see it in the real world now. Look at the price of gas. Look at the price of food. Okay, I was hearing yesterday, I know someone does like barbecue and, cooks up barbecue saying, I'm having trouble finding meat. The briskets are gone. The prices are going up. So you see what I'm saying? It's not necessarily that the value of things have gone up. It's that it's hyperinflation. BNB is just the fastest horse right now, says Poison. Pretty much. Now, like I said, Solana right now is pulling up. So that's something to consider. But, BNB. And then the thing is that you get in BNB and there's things to do. Like, this is what I was asking myself. Like, okay, I see Solana. It's pulling up. Maybe I should get it. Okay, fine. So you get the Solana. You put it in your wallet. What do you do then? What do you want to, I guess you could stake it. I think it can earn like 10 or 15% APY, but that's certainly not any more attractive than earning close to 0.5% a day on cake. You know what I mean? So, something to consider. But yeah, Sol against BNB is looking good. And then you go cake against BTC. And cake against BNB. That's the one I wanted to see. 0.05. Yeah. All right, take a few more comments and questions. I want to keep this one brief, but that's the update with the migration on Pancake Bunny. I see the price of Pancake Bunny took a dip there like $22, $23 last night. I bought the dip around 0.048 BNB. And now, I'm glad that it's rebounding. If you want to know more about what's going on with the migration and its delays, you can go over there to twitter.com/PancakeSwap, and they posted this infographic with details at what step they are. But it should be completed by tomorrow. And let me actually link you guys to this infographic. You could read more. And boom, that's what's going on. So you should just relax and chill, says the website. So let's see what they do. Boom. Techie update. All new farms have been executed at 0x multiplier. So let's just keep an eye on this. And like I said, they should be back by fully functional by, they're functional, but I'm saying the migration should be done by tomorrow. And that's what's going on. And then just to keep an eye on Pancake Bunny. They're moving in tandem. Everything's fine. They put up the claim and migrate buttons. You don't have to do that. They could do it for you. But for those that are a little bit impatient, the option is there for you. So let me click this for you guys so you could read that information on Pancake Bunny, anybody that's staking out there. Webby is back. Hey, Webby, I hope you paid your taxes. I'm full chill, staying in the V1 for now, and I'll see what happened. Okay, yeah, that's probably the best thing to do. I don't have any OPs at the moment, but if I did, I'd probably just chill out and just wait. Just wait for. Usually, when you try to be, sometimes when you try to be first, there's a risk to that. So just relax and chill. I agree. I happen to be in the single asset. So it says that you don't got to do anything, and so I'm staying put. All right, shout out to Webby, Poison, Lex, the rest of the boomers, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and tune this one down, but make sure that you click on all the links, check out what's going on. V2 has been delayed a little bit, but I posted the links and the information. It seems like everything's gonna be fine. And that's about it, guys. Cake against BNB is moving, and we'll continue to focus. Solana against Binance is moving. I wouldn't sleep on that one. Okay, let me show you guys the chart again. There it is. SOL. Boom. SOL against BNB. Again, look at these chart technicals. Buy. Must say Pancake Bunny raised, in my estimation, they're doing good work. Yeah. I mean, they've earned my confidence. So, when I first learned about them months ago, I was a little iffy, but with time, they've earned my confidence. And I don't know if you saw one of our prior live streams where we mentioned that the team behind Pancake Bunny, the Mound team, they basically doxed themselves and they said, hey, here we are. We're getting money from Binance, and they were made public. So I expect the project to stick around. Poison says, I might throw a little bag at the PancakeSwap IFO today. Last time the sell was open for 12 hours. Okay, yeah, you mentioned it. I probably won't. I don't know. I don't have anything against it, I'll keep an eye on it. I just feel like, the IFO stuff has kind of cooled down. But you know what? I haven't really seen that many losers IFO. So, even if you can make some gains, maybe it's worth it. First time I'm checking the BTC BNB chart, bro. BNB is taking out BTC. Oh, it's the first time? Well, welcome. Now focus on the real crypto, okay? Because remember, the game here is not to just make USD. That's like what normies do. You want to stack BTC. And BNB has, look at this thing for the past few years. Let's show you. Let's look at the 5-year. Look at this thing. Look at this year, boom. But steady gains. This is the 5-year chart here since 2018. Look at this thing, all the way up. Look at this. Look at the year to date. It's all the way up. I'll let you know how it goes, says Poison. Yeah, let us know. I don't know if I'm going to do it. I'm not hating on it at all. But, let's see. I kind of have my funds tied up where I want them. But maybe. I don't know. More no than yes, though. No other comments and questions. I'm out of here, guys. Shout out to Poison, Lex, Webby, and the rest of the boomers. I'll catch you guys. No, today's Friday, so I'll catch you guys on Monday. Unless something special happens, then I'll pop up on the weekends. Everybody stay strong out there. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest. Champagne Crypto. Thank you for tuning in.